Greetings! My name is Nino Castro and this is the Indigo Alchemist. If you are a denim enthusiast and want to learn more about how denim is made nowadays, this is your channel. Make sure to subscribe to be on top of the latest techniques for denim finishes on the market. This video is part of a group of tutorials focused on laser design for denim. Enough talk, let's get hands-on. One of the most common tasks a laser designer performs on almost a daily basis is to adjust designs to specific needs. Jeans designers change their mind, fabrics don't fade as expected, and sometimes styles switch from man to women or boyfriend to skinny. Anyway, investing time and money with an on-demand vintage design should pay off more than once. Therefore, brands and laundries that understand this principle promote creating in advance rich and complex designs that quickly adapt to their needs with precise and almost instant modifications. I decided to make a family of videos to show you how you get the job done with easy steps using Photoshop and a mouse. If you are fortunate to have access to a pen display and a stylus, you would do some of these steps in a different way. I will dive deeper on this subject with some other videos. Some tech suppliers have apps that do this in a more native way to the laser equipment, like eDesigner from Genealogia. Today we will focus on how to add or remove a whisker on any design that is flattened on one layer. This would usually be a BMP file ready to use on any laser machine. Start with opening your file into Photoshop. If your file is indexed, go to Image, Mode, and turn it into RGB to switch the color range to an 8-bit color. This will enable us to control the color the same way the hardware does. Let's go to the whisker you want to remove and analyze the area around it. Try to find an area free of whiskers and duplicate it into a new layer. Use a polygonal lasso and adjust the feather. Now you can place this new layer over the whisker you want to remove. Use the transform and warp tool to adjust the area. If you still can see the whisker or chevron below, you can duplicate the layer as many times you need. Fuse the duplicated layers together. Fine-tune edges with the erase tool aided by a lasso. If your whisker is too difficult to access or you can't find an area big enough to cover it, simply use the clone tool one stroke at a time. You might have to reset the origin several times. Now, to add a whisker or similar, you can use the same method of duplicating layers. Locate a suitable target, duplicate, and bring it to the desired area. As before, use transform, warp, and erase to fine-tune. When adding a whisker, you might want to check the layer fusion properties to see if you can improve the blend. You can always try to overlay a texture to help the blending. Try to enhance high and lows, adding black or white on different layers. Man, sometimes I feel like a plastic surgeon of jeans. Applying these tricks, you should be able to master most of the basic modifications like a pro. I hope you find these tricks useful. Let me know your comments below, and thanks for watching.